Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and today we got Birchbox. Well, Birchbox is coming a really nice like galaxy sort of box this month. Yeah, so the Birchbox is £10 a month and £3.95 postage and packaging. If you're wondering what that is sniffing around, making that noise, it is of course my girly Jessie, and there she is in shot. So yeah, there she is. So she's just, doing her thing. She's chilling out. So that's what she likes to do. She loves a lot of company, so she doesn't like being on her own downstairs. So I bring her with me. Okay, so this is the box. And it's like all like moons and stars and galaxy, and really very pretty this month. Well, Birchbox is always quite pretty, and I'm just actually moving a hair out the road because it's like annoying. But it's going to pull one of my pots out, so I'm just going to leave it. Yeah, what is pulling down is my cat pot, and I'm actually going to be getting a kitten. We're going to see how that goes with this little munchkins here. We're going to introduce her to a cat, just because I fancy a cat, a kitten, maybe. And yeah, and the kitten will be well looked after. It's one thing I've been wanting for quite a long time, so I'm just, warning you. It's not because I want a kitten, it's because I love animals, so that's why. Yeah, let's get back to the bird box. Okay, and I will put timestamps as well, so you don't have to, watch this. Right, okay, so you'll see the box first. This is the October box. It is. Right, so, okay, so let's have a look at this. Right. Okay, you're going to start whinging. Right, we see in here a Nux item. This is a repeat offender, but I do like it. It's really nice. It's usually a hair product. It is the... Oh, okay. It's a multi-purpose dry oil for face, body and hair. And that is really... You could just actually put that in one of these like little spray bottles like this one and spray it all over your body, hair and everything. Good item. I do like it. It's really nice. Jessie, are you settling down now? Where are you? Oh, you're over there. Sit down. What are we going to do? We're going to calm you down a little bit, eh? Shall we just calm you down, eh? Just settle down. Yeah, you cute dog. Right, okay, so back to this box. And what this one is the Anna Sui. Anna Sui. There we go. Focus. So it has done. And I'm sure that this might be a moisturizer or something like that. So this is a gel foundation and primer. Oh, we are getting good, Birchbox. So, right, okay doke. So we're going to pop a little bit of this one. I'm going to get hairs everywhere. Okay doke. Oh, wow, that looks really a good foundation. I like it. I don't know whether I'd use it as a primer to put underneath first of all and put the foundation on the top, but there it is there. It's really good. I do like that. So yeah, good. Thumbs up, Birchbox. It was something I do like. And then we're going to go on to the next item, which is a balance cream. So this is a Blue Lagoon balance cream. Never had a balance cream before. What does it do? So it is I don't know, I'll have to read the paper on this. I can see something in there that I do like in that box. So when we get to it. Okay, so it's quite bluified. And I'll just use my other arm. So it comes out like a gel formula. You see it like that? Oh, it's right it's got like little beads in it, so I'll say that's going to be like a foliator. Yes, it is a foliator. So, oh, just have a nice smell to it as well, which is quite nice. And the next one is going to be a Philip Kingsley Bodybuilding Shampoo Repeat Offender again. Sorry if you can hear noise, it's just my son. I'm doing my video back. And now my other dog has come in. So yeah, this is Chester. No, we got Jessie in shot. So this is the Philip Kingsley shampoo. And this is the bodybuilding one, and this one comes in like so. Like that. Not going to see much of it. So it's like a gel formula again. And that one has a nice citrusy smell. Really does have a nice citrusy smell. Come on, Jessie, this way. Off that door. Off the door. So yeah, there is Chester. Chester's a lot calmer, and that's my Dalmatian. He's cuddly. Very cuddly, aren't you, Chester? So, okay, so we have a face mask, which is what I look forward to using because it's a morning face mask. And I'm just checking to see if my mic's on. Yeah, so that is it. So this is going to brighten and protect. It's the morning goggle eye mask. Really, that's a weird one name. Vitamasks is what it is, and I'm sure we've had Vitamasks before. And okay, so we're gonna go. It's time to do a little something for you. We design each and every Birchbox to be a monthly treat just for you. A reminder to press pause and take a moment of me time. I've noticed that with the Birchbox. This sorry about that, I got a cough. They sent out an email saying like about the me time thing, that you should spend like me time because it's good for you. So yeah, so that is what they've been doing. And that's about that realistically. So it says, fold your fortune teller. It's simple. So okay, so that is going on about something like that. Right, okay, so I think that we're going to get, so Birchbox, look good, feel better, supports. So facing cancer with confidence. This month we're encouraging you to be all you can be. So it felt like the perfect moment to shed a light on a truly inspirational charity that helps people face cancer with confidence. Look good, Feel Better is the only charity that helps people deal with the visible and emotional side effects of cancer treatment through workshops, printed materials, online and tutorials. Turn over to find out more about the amazing charity and how to get support for yourself and a loved one. Then join us on a special Birchbox UK where throughout October, which is Breast Cancer Awareness Month, we will be sharing content from Look Good, Feel Better. Plus, we're hosting a Look Good, Feel Better on the 8th of October. Join us for a special super-sized Facebook Live as we donate 100% of profits from the Birchbox shop to the charity. That is like really good. So yeah, that gets a thumbs up. And so yeah, because cancer is such a horrible thing. I know I've had my auntie die of cancer and I've had a friend die of cancer, so I've had my fair share of cancer problems and it's horrible. So good of Birchbox to do that. So okay, so I think I've gone through everything in this Birchbox this month, so I'm gonna go like a quick recap. I like that. I'm looking forward to using it, even though I don't know what it is, and I don't think we have the box, the card this month. Do we have it? Is this it? Because it doesn't really have the prices on it. So we got that, and we got the Philip Kingsley. We got this one, which is the Balance Paris. Yeah, it is an exfoliant, so it's that. That we got the what is it, foundation. in primer, all in one, and so yeah, it's quite a pretty good box. And we got this, didn't we, which is the Nux hair oil. I didn't try that one because it's a repeat offender, but I will actually try it for the love of you guys on YouTube. So what it does is it's going to be like, it's like liquid gold, this stuff. It really is. It looks like that, and you can just put it in onto your skin. Oh wow, it smells really good. It does have a nice scent, and you can put it on your hair like so, and it just gives your hair a nice scent. My doggy here is wanting a cuddle, a bit of a stroke, because he's just affectionate. And yeah, so that's what it does. If you liked my unboxing this month, give me a thumbs up, like, share. Please subscribe to my channel, because you never know what crazy unboxings I'm going to be doing next, or whatever is next on my channel. So you better press that like button, and you better press the share button, and you better press the most important button of all, which is the subscribe button. And I shall see you all for now. Bye.